Personally, I support. I know it sound a bit weird nyana, but okwangempela I do support.
Hey, Black Money TV, Pocket G, subscribe on that shit, so don't miss out, bringing you some juicy content in your mobile, boy, it's all over your screen.
I would assume ukuthi abantu abaningi ababuka lama video or abangaziyo they know ukuthi ngenza impahla zokugqoka, ngenza impahla zabazalwane kakhulu. Iyona nto engenza ngayo income kusukela sakhumbula ukuthi yini, but khona iy'ngane ezazalwa ayiseyikwazi ukukhuluma isingisi manje ngithunga. So with that being said, ngiyaqhakambisa or ngiyajabulela ukubona abantu mabesupportana towards any initiative eyenzakalayo, and nami ngi-expect support if ngenza something, especially mawuthi ngiyenzela abantu, ngizodinga ukuthi ngiyenze nabantu so that ngizokwazi ukuthi ngiyenzele abantu. So all in all, ukusupportana it's nice, it's a good thing, kusharp, but iba fucked up if ukuthi sesoyisebenzisa sekuzoba ilona khadi lethu esokuthi njoba ngithunga ngisacela ningisupport, angikhumbuli mina ngiposta anything ephathene nokuthi ngisacela ningisupport kunoma yini engiyenzayo or ngimemezela. Sometimes ngitshela umndeni wami, but nakhona sengizabona ukuthi okay, kwezinye izinto abakhona ukuyisupporta because abazi bazosupporta kanjani or abanayo leyo nto leyo engifuna beyenze ngaleso sikhathi, of which it's okay, and bese bakhona-ke labo-ke ontaba kayikhonje. Reason why ngithanda ukuthunga nakangaka it's because iyona nto engikwazi ukuyenza ngedwa from the beginning to the end. Nakule nto engiyenza lama video ngiyishutha mina, ngiyi-edithele mina, ngiwaposte mina. Nakhona ngi-expectile ukuthi ningisupport. Ngingajabula if nizoyibuka out of curiosity or nifuna ukuba entertained or mhlawumbe niyithandela mina nje ne-vibe yami nalama topics engihlezi ngikhuluma ngawo. But kusupportana ku-right, ningangisupporta mawuthi nifuna ngisupport, it's good. Inkinga engiba nayo nokusupportana ukuthi if umuntu ezofika kumina nge-mindset yokungisupport kulo msebenzi wempahla, uzogcina efila entitled kuwona umsebenzi ukuthi mfethu ngiyakusupporta nje, and angi-expect ukuthi wonke umuntu agqoke iy'mpahla ezenziwe yimina. Even nabasontayo abasekhaya baningi abantu abasontayo nasekhaya nengibaziyo, but angenza sure ukuthi angifuni beze kumina nge-mindset yokuthi bazongisupport uma bezothungisa. Ngifuna bethungisa ngoba beyithanda izinto, and I know ukuthi indaba yongasupportani ifila like abantu bayakuyekelela, ukuthi into eyinkinga if uthi ufuna abantu bekusupport, especially uma ukuthi kwenza into like ibhizinisi olrana wedwa noma uyi-artist, of which nakhona kusayibhizinisi lakho wedwa. Inkinga iba sekutheni if abantu bekusupporta and wenza i-art or wenza urun ibhizinisi lakho, uzogcina sekuba nzima ukuthi bekutshele ama-critics ngale nto yenzayo. Conference ekhaya wathanda enye ingoma engayenza and i-ringtone yakhe efonini. Uma the other day eyiziringa wathi wow usupport ubhuti wakho, and wangitshela nami ukuthi hey, ngibonile ubhuti wakho ukuthi uyakusupporta ufaka ngisho ingoma yakhe ezi-ringtone. Mina no, angifuni mina ayifake nge-mindset yokuthi uyangisupport, ngifuna afake ingoma ayithandayo so that uma isexoxa nangayo kubantu ukuthi why ifakile le ngoma ezi-ringtone, angabi ukuthi isizathu sakhe ingobe kabhuti wami. Angiyithandi isupport ey'ntweni ey'kanjalo because uzogcina engasatsheli if uthi enye akayizwa kahle, yabona, kulo hlobo ley'ngoma ayithandayo. And nakhona angiyenzeli yena, ngiyenzela abantu, angiyenzeli umndeni wami ukuthi ungisupport. Dalanyana mhlambe yes ngangihlezi ngi-expecta more support, but ekuhambeni kwesikhathi ngabona ukuthi la bantu abakwazi ukusupporta because nabo abazi ukuthi bazosupporta kanjani. Kwamina anginaso i-strategy esingathi si-solid engabanikeza sona ukuthi okay supportani kanje. For example, njengey'ngoma nje, omunye umuntu uzothi okay hamba uyidlala iy'ngoma zami utshengisa ukuthi uyangisupport. Ngingayidlala yes, but ngeke ngiyidlale as much as uyidlala wena as umnikazi wayo, because wena yakho and kuthe kuba nice ukuyilalela repeatedly, awumind. Mina as i-audience ngizoyidlala, kuzofaka ngiqhubeke nempilo, ngiphinde ngiyidlalele ezinye iy'ngoma or ngidlale ezinye izinto. It doesn't mean ukuthi I don't support your thing. Similar thing ney'mpahla. Khona abanye bafethu bengingasipana nje nabo, ngeke ngibabone bephusha zona iy'mpahla. Thothi umuntu uhlezi egqoke iy'mpahla ezenziwa yena, of which it's good. Angifaki u-X kuleyo nto. It's a good thing. Perfect. Kumele uyi-advertisele. Kumele ube walking billboard. But you can't expect ukuthi abanye abantu nabo benze the same thing. It's unfair. Awukwazi u-expect ukuthi abantu bengagqoka iy'mpahla zakho from head to toe just because bayakwazi and wenza lezo y'mpahla. When it comes to ukusupportana kuma-business, it's a bit unfair if uzo-expect ukuthi abantu beyicommit ngendlela ecommit ngayo kulona business lakho, because wena egcineni lakho. Ngokwami indlela ethe kuba ngconywana ukuyenza lento yokusupportana ukuthi siqhubeke supportana, because ukusupportana it's a good thing, but siholdane accountable when it comes to indaba ama-products. Because mina njengoba ngenza music ney'mpahla nalama video, I expect ukuthi abantu abayibukayo lento nabayithenga iy'mpahla zami nabawulayo i-music wami basho uma ukuthi khona something mhlawumbe abafuna ngiyi-try out entsha. Uyakwazi ukusho ukuthi sacela wami ukhola ukwenze kube kanje, mhlawumbe isiphika sami sibe kanje, amaphakethe abe la, isiteshi sihambe kanje, isiteshi sibe khona, bese siyayi-negotiate. Ngikutshela ukuthi okay, ayi ku-possible lokhu kungenzeka, lokhu ngiyakwazi ukwenzeka ngalezi izathu nalezi izathu. Kube ukuthi siyayidiscussa lento because siyasebenzisana, asupportane, siyasebenzisana. Naku-music ngingajabula if uthi mangidropha umusic umuntu asho ukuthi ngithanda leya ngoma ngobani mhlawumbe, if uthi awunazo izathu okay it's fine, but ubona ukuthi okay mhlawumbe le uyithandile kodwa mhlawumbe kwaba khona like shoda khona into ethizeni, you're more than welcome to beka that mbono and say ukuthi I feel like kule ngoma yakhe Afrobeat mhlawumbe mase kuthiwa ufake i-element ethile mhlawumbe uphinde uyishaye kanjela, ngingajabula. Same thing nalama video, even though ngisanokuqala kuwona ngisafunda izinto eziningi nakhona, if kukhona someone onambono engasho ukuthi akuse awuzama i-lighting kanje, uzama i-sound kanje, okunye ngisashaya i-budget, so slow it down kancane yabona. But ngingajabula if ngingawathola ama-critics akanjalo a-productive, hayi ukuthi uzogxeka nje kuphela. Ungagxeka ngendlela e-productive, more than welcome, anginankinga, angibi offended kalula kanjalo. I-support ngokwami sengiyi-summarize ukwazi ukuba honest to yourself nokuba honest to lento le oyithandayo. Kwindawo engijala ukuthenga kuyona fast food angibi nama-complaints ngesidala, but if ngiyafika ngelinye ilanga mhlawumbe ngizothenga igwinya and lelo gwinya mhlawumbe lithe ukuqina kunelizolo, ngiyasho, angilokhu ngisho kwabanye abantu or ngisho kambi nakubona labo bantu, ngiyasho nje ukuthi kuse kwenzakaleni mhlawumbe type shit. But all in all sisupportane bafethu, because kunzima la emnyango, akukho lula ukuzenzela into yakho because hlezi ukhona omunye umuntu ofuna ukwenza lento oyenzayo, but uthola ukuthi ubanjwe into ethizeni bese vuka umona kanjalo. So even if inkulu kangakanani into oyenzayo noma incane kangakanani, azi ukuthi iyawenza umehluko just because you're doing something. Khona inye quote esho umunye umjitsi ekuthiwa Flo Jones othi slow motion is better than no motion. Doing something kuyacount kunokuthi ungenzi lutho. Sazi nje ukuthi umona awusikhona ukuthi umuntu usuke zonda wena, usuke zonda lento oyenzayo because mhlawumbe uyena ufuna ukuyenza, kuyikhona ukuthi ukucasule ukuthi wena uyayenza and uyenza kangconywana. Uzogcina omunye ezokubekela imbono ukuthi indaba ungarap kanje or ungathungi kanje or ungashuthi kanje, but ezinye izinto uyithathe, ezinye oyibona ukuthi okay lezi ngangisebenzela, ezinye ungathathi yonke into, ungathathi yonke imbono oyinikezwa abanye abantu, because fa uphinde ubheke ukuthi leyo muntu leyo mbono yakhe nje bekunikeza yona yena uyayisebenzisa yini and imsebenzele yini. Omunye uzokunikeza imbono uthi akayisebenzisi but ingakusebenzela, ungamcriticize kakhulu. Omunye uzokunikeza imbono angayisebenzisi kwayena afuna isetshenziswe wena ngenxa ukuthi wenza lento le afuna ukuyenza kwayena, mhlawumbe uyasaba or whatever reason. So akuyona yonke imbono esifanayo and akusiwona wonke ama-critics aqhamuka from bantu abad. So nami ningi support bafethu. supporteni bafethu, come on. For mina okwami ukungisupporta kusimple, akucostishi imali ukuthi nje upresse the subscribe button, press no like, mhlawumbe ushare nombono phela. Ngisho ukuthi ungashiya ichashaza kuma-comment section, chasha so wenza umehluko, kuzobe kuyiyona support yakho leyo. But other than that, pray.
I'm a dog, Scooby-Doo, and I love Shaggy.